दादी ने नाम सिकंदर रखा था, दादा ने संजय और प्रजा ने राजा साहब। इंसाफ नहीं साफ करने आया हूँ। कायदे में रहो, फायदे में रहोगे, वरना शमशान या कब्रिस्तान में रहोगे। आईपीएस का एग्ज़ाम देकर पुलिस बन जाऊंगा और बिना कोई एग्ज़ाम दिए नेता। Hello, my YouTube family. I welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. I'm your well-wisher, healer, and your friend Shazia Khan. Hope you are well and taking care of yourself. So let's start to this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. I am back in your service with a new and interesting video. So to know the video, must watch the video till the end. So let's start to this video. So stay with me till the end of the video. Next year, I had told on my channel that Salman Khan is going to bring Bhaijan Sikandar movie. You should go and watch the promo film on my channel. So wait for you. Your wait will be over and Sikandar movie will come. Sikandar trailer Salman Khan Eid release packs punches, romance and drama. Salman Khan Sikandar trailer promises high octane actions, dialogue bazi and drama. Directed by A.R. Murgadoz. The Eid release also starred Rashmika Mandana and Satyaj. Salman Khan film Sikandar trailer released directed by A.R. Murgudas. The film starred Rashmika Mandana, Kajal Agarwal and Satyaj. Sikandar features actions and dialogue bazi reminiscent of 80s 90s film. The much awaited trailer of Salman Khan upcoming Eid release Sikandar is out, directed by A.R. Margudas. The trailer promises a full-blown masala actioner sent to unfold on the 70 screen on March 30. The film also starred Rashmika Mandana, Kajal Agarwal and Seth Raj in pivotal roles. The 3-minute 38-second long trailer, much like the teaser, is high onto things dialogue buzzy, reminiscent, and 80s and 90s films. The intense action Salman is a killing machine on a mission to fight action injustice. Satraj appears to be assuming the role of a corrupt politician, while Rashmika plays Salman's love interest. The film was officially announced. Principal photography commenced the following Mumbai and wrapped by March 2025. The film has song composed by Pritam, background score composed by Santosh Narayan, cinematography handled by True, and editing by Vivek Harshan, with as estimated production's budget of 200 crore rupees. It is one of the most expensive Indian films of all time. Sikandar is scheduled to be theatrical released worldwide on 30 March 2025 in standard and IMAX formats concluding with Eid al-Fitr. The film music rights were acquired by Zee Music Company, with the song be composed by Pritam and the background score being composed by Santosh Narayan. The first single Zohra Jabin was released on 4 March 2025. The second single Bum Bum Bole was released 1 week later, and the third single singer Sikandar Nache was released on at 18 March. Salman Khan Eid release Sikandar is making all the right noises. The title track of the film released today, and it's a typical Bhaijan song with a dollop of his swag. Kishma and style Rashmika Mandana, who plays Salman Khan love interest in the film, also matches her step with Salman Khan gracefully. Sikandar Nachi song Salman Khan dances his heart out, fans praise choreography. Superstar Salman Khan is back with another song from his upcoming release Sikandar, which sees him matching step with co-star Rashmika Mandan. We have some happy news for Salman Khan fans. Another song from the actor's highly anticipated film Sikandar. Sikandar Nachi is here. The peppy text sees the Bhai of Bollywood bursting out some super cool moves as he matches steps with co-star Rashmika Mandana. The inclusion of the Turkish-influenced choreography and the glamorous setting adds more weight to the overall song. Outstanding choreography, another mentioned Salman Khan nailed it. This is what he want from him, while many others posted fire and heart emojis. The dance track has been composed by Jam 8 and Siddhant Mishra. Sameer has penned the lyrics. Amit Mishra, Akash, and Siddhant Mishra has cornered the number. Sikandar, which promises to present Salman in a Ryug red, Krasmical Avatar is tubed to be one of the biggest film of the year. It has been shot in Hyderabad and Mumbai and also stars Rashmika Mandana and Kajal Agarwal in pivotal roles. Rashmika spoke about her experience of working with Salman Khan, telling it is absolutely a dream come true. He's such a special person, so down to earth, so and grounded. The wait is finally over. Salman Khan's highly anticipated film Sikandar is gearing up for its grand trailer release this Sunday. The superstar shared the update along with a brand new poster featuring Rashmika Mandana, where the duo is seen sharing the According to our sources, Sikandar has been granted the certified by the censor board, confirming that the film is suitable for audience aged 30 and above the parental guardians. The film's total routine has been logged at 150.8 minutes. As the release date of Sikandar approaches, excitement in building among fans. The film, directed by A.R. Margudas and starring superstar Salman Khan, is set to hit cinemas on 30 March 2025. The wait is finally over. The highly anticipated teaser of the magnum opus Sikandar has just been unveiled, and it's a visual extravaganza that exceeds expectations in every way. With Salman Khan leading the charge, paired alongside Rashmika Mandana and produced by Sajid Nadiawala, Sikandar is poised to be a cinematic masterpiece that will leave that audience spellbound. The movie has been written and directed by A.R. Margudas. From the very first frame, Sikandar takes hold of your senses, transporting you to a world of adrenaline, fluid excitement, and emotional depth. Salman Khan, larger than life presence in undoubled as he delivers powerful dialogues and jaw dropping action sequences that will leave you perched on the edge of your seat. As the film continues to build momentum, it's clear that Salman Khan's mass appeal and powerful character arc will make Sikandar a must-watch. This is 2025, produced by Sajid Natiawala and directed by A.R. Margudas. Sikandar promises to deliver an explosive experience will keep audience on the edge of their seats. The background source further appliances the insanity, adding to the film that life appeal. One of the biggest talking points has been Rashmika Mandana role, which was largely sidelined the earlier teaser. The Sikandar trailer finally sheds light on her character, providing glimpses of her equations with Salman Khan. However, mystery still surrounds her fate, with speculation that her character might not survive in the storyline. Another major interview role revolves around Kajal Agarwal Princess, with many wondering how her character ties into film. Larger narrative. Director A.R. Margudas had previously teased surprise element, and the trailer leaves audience curious about what twist awaits in the full future. The trailer also promises at least one mic drop moment, hinting at a major twist that could redefine the film's directions. While Sikandar is undoubtedly a high energy action film, the trailer confirms that it is deeply rooted in emotions that revenge them plays out across different time frames and mindset, with Murgudas ensuring the relationships, especially those between husband and wife as well as family bonds, are at the heart of the story. With Sikandar shaping up to the thrill mix of mass entertainment and emotional depth, the excitement of its release has reached new heights. Fans believe that Salman Khan is back of his ultimate mode, and the countdown the Sikandar. Well done.